morning. Welcome to Agra. So we are in Agra today. So we are doing the road trip from Bangalore to Himachal. So for a day, we have halted in Agra. We thought we will explore few places here and then we will continue our journey to Himachal. For the ones who have not seen the other videos, go and check out in my channel where I have covered all our travel and have provided all the expenses details of our travel from Bangalore till Agra. This is the view from the room we are staying. Please check out my other video to get more details on accommodation we had in Agra. Since we are staying in Airbnb property, so we just made a quick breakfast at home and then we're gonna start for Agra tour. Please do like and share the video and also subscribe the channel. Chalo then, let's go and check out the places in Agra. Since we are in Agra, we wanted to start the Agra tour by visiting Taj Mahal first. This is the parking space of Taj Mahal, and from here you can take the battery auto run by the authorities here for Taj Mahal. We have parked the vehicle and then now we are going to Taj Mahal. Since it's quite far, so they have a shuttles. We can use the shuttle and go to Taj Mahal. And also it's recommended to book the tickets online. If you just go online and Google it, right, you will get the website and you can book the tickets in advance. You can avoid the queue at the ticket counter. You can use this shuttle. This belongs to Agra Development Authority. So once we do the security check, this is the way for the Taj Mahal. So the video was not allowed in the security check, so we did not do it there. We are here on 28th December 2021. You can see it's pretty crowded because of the Christmas holidays. This is the entrance to the Taj Mahal. Today it's little drizzling. So this is one of the places where we can actually stand and take a good picture. Enter the Taj Mahal, it costs you around 45 rupees, and then to enter the mausoleum, it's going to cost around 200 rupees. Total charge would be around 245 per person. You can book it online also. I'll leave the link in the description down. So when you were entering the Taj Mahal, you will get this for a 5 rupees for a pair. You have to buy that so that you can wear it once you're entering inside. Where Jal Mahal is located on both the sides of the Taj Mahal. There's a lot of greenery and it's very spacious. We just came out of the Taj Mahal and we are having puff tea. If you are here, do not miss to try out the pita, which is a special sweet of Agra. They do have a varieties as you can see here. Having lunch in Pin Baluchi, which is located in Fatehabad. We have come from Taj Mahal and we are having lunch here. Lunch looks good and it also tastes good. So after this we will be going to the Agra Fort. You can pay it offline also and online as well. There is a queue in the ticket counter, but we just did it online. And we get the ticket like this. It's 4:45 p.m. The gate will close of the Agra Fort by 5 p.m. and once you enter, the closing time, the time you can come back is 7 p.m. This is the entrance to the Agra Fort. What is this? It's bathtub. We have just entered and then you can see all this and a lot more is there inside.
अभी हम लोग आगरा फोर्ट में हैं। काफ़ी कुछ ऑलरेडी कवर कर चुके हैं हम लोग, लेकिन ये काफ़ी बड़ा है और काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें भी हैं देखने के लिए। अब ये एक एग्जांपल ले लीजिए, पता नहीं है एग्जैक्टली है क्या।
This looks so beautiful. You can see the mist here. It's around 5:30 p.m. It's going to be dark in next 30 minutes and it's completely foggy weather. Covered almost the entire fort. It takes a lot of time to go in detail. We just roamed around in a 1 hour because we have to go back home since we have left Lucy at home. Because in these places the dogs are not allowed. That's why we have to leave her in the house. This is for the Agra tour. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.